I just entered there below the signal bar. I'm seeing this as consecutive climaxes, and here we started to channel up, and then we got one bigger bar followed by a sell signal. So I think it might be okay to test the bottom of the channel, or at least get two legs down. So I'll try to hold for the two legs. So it's kind of like the reverse of this. So consecutive climaxes here and here, and it starts to channel down and get one bigger bar, followed by a bi-signal bar. That can often lead to a swing. The only difference here, I think, is that this day was in a trading range. So it was in the middle of a trading range. So it was reversing up from the day before, the low of the day before. So I think there was more reasons for it to bounce. Today we're in a bull trend. So if this follow-through bar is an extremely strong bull bar, then I might exit. But I think anything else, probably sellers above in this area. My recording stopped for some reason. I took one share off here at 4 points, 40 cents, and I have one share left. And the last share I'll look to take out at the bottom of the channel. I'm gonna exit my other share above the signal bar if we trigger it. Okay, so I'm all out. I don't think that this reverses up to a new high, but we got close enough to the target that I didn't want to sit through an entire pullback for the second leg to start. So I'm not sure if this was the right way to manage it, but I got one off at 4 points and one off at 3 points. So I ended up with 70 cents. So here, we would have gotten down to the bottom of this channel where my initial target was, and I exited above this bull bar, but there were actually more sellers above here. So this bar kind of scared me out, but now looking at this example and a couple other charts, I think after these three big bear bars, it's not really worth it to exit above a bull bar, because it's probably going to get a lower high and probably going to get down to the reasonable target. So maybe next time I won't exit above the bull bar, especially if we get a strong move down. It's similar to the example I showed earlier. It's April 13th. Yeah, right here. So here we had two good bull bars and then a micro double top, and we had another signal bar here, but there were buyers below the signal bar. There were no sellers there. So I think the same situation, the same concepts apply today. If the move up is really strong, then there are probably more buyers below the signal bar, and today there were probably more sellers above this signal bar because of the three strong bear bars down.